Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Instagram. It's more than just a social media platform. It's where we share our lives, our moments, and our memories. From the mundane to the extraordinary, Instagram captures it all. We post photos, videos, and stories. We connect with friends, family, and even strangers. It's a digital scrapbook of our lives. But it's also a playground for hackers. These cybercriminals see Instagram as a treasure trove of personal information. Why? Because Instagram accounts hold value. They can be used to impersonate someone, steal their identity, or gain access to other accounts. They can be used to spread misinformation or to promote scams. Fake news and fraudulent schemes can spread like wildfire through compromised accounts. In this essay, we'll explore the fastest ways hackers crack Instagram. We'll delve into their techniques and reveal the most common vulnerabilities. We'll also give you tips on how to keep your account safe. From enabling two-factor authentication to recognizing phishing attempts, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned to learn how to protect your digital life. Phishing is like tricking a fish with bait. Just as a fisherman uses a worm to lure a fish, hackers use deceptive emails and messages to lure unsuspecting victims. These cybercriminals craft their bait meticulously, making it look as genuine as possible to fool you. Hackers create fake emails or messages that look real. They often mimic trusted sources like banks, social media platforms, or even friends and family. The goal is to make you believe the message is legitimate and prompt you to take action. These messages might say, "Your account has a problem." For instance, you might receive an email claiming there's an issue with your bank account or that your social media account has been compromised. The message will urge you to click a link to resolve the issue immediately, or they might offer you something free. This could be a gift card, a prize, or an exclusive offer. The idea is to entice you with something desirable so that you let your guard down and click on the provided link. The goal is to get you to click a link. Once you do, you're taken to a website that looks legitimate but is actually a trap set by the hacker. The link takes you to a fake website. This site is designed to look exactly like the real one, whether it's your bank, a popular online store, or a social media platform. This website looks just like Instagram. The design, the layout, and even the URL might seem authentic at first glance. You might even see the official logo, but it's a trap. The hackers have replicated the site to deceive you into entering your personal information. If you enter your username and password, the hacker steals them. With this information, they can access your real accounts, steal your identity, and cause significant harm. Always be cautious and verify the authenticity of any unexpected messages or emails. Data scraping is like vacuuming up information. Hackers use special tools to collect data from public Instagram profiles. This data can include your username, email address, and even your phone number. Why do they do it? Hackers can use this data for targeted phishing attacks. They can also sell it on the dark web. That's why it's important to limit the personal information you share publicly. Think about all the websites where you've created accounts. Do you use the same password for all of them? If so, you're vulnerable to credential stuffing. Here's how it works. Hackers steal login information from one website. Then, they use those same credentials to try to access other accounts. If you use the same password everywhere, they can easily get into your Instagram. Not all hacking is technical. Social engineering relies on manipulation. Hackers might pretend to be someone you trust, like a friend or a company representative. They might contact you through email, social media, or even text message. Their goal is to trick you into revealing personal information, like your password or security questions. Be wary of anyone asking for this information. Section 6. Weak passwords. Easy picking for hackers. Your password is your first line of defense. A weak password is like an open door for hackers. They can easily guess common passwords like password 123 or your birthday. Use a strong and unique password for your Instagram account. A A strong password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Section 7. Malware, the Silent Invader. Malware is short for malicious software. It's designed to damage your computer or steal your information. Hackers can spread malware through malicious links or infected attachments. Once malware infects your device, it can track your keystrokes, capture your screen, and steal your login credentials. Be careful about the links you click and the files you download. Section 8. High-profile hacks, when giants fall. Even big companies with lots of security can get hacked. Manchester United, the famous football club, had their Facebook and Instagram accounts taken over. Hackers used the accounts to promote a fake cryptocurrency. McDonald's also fell victim to hackers. Their accounts were used to promote another fake cryptocurrency scam. These incidents show that no one is immune to hacking. Section 9. Protecting your digital castle, tips and tricks. In this section, we will delve into some essential strategies to safeguard your Instagram account from potential threats. With the increasing number of cyber attacks, it's crucial to stay informed and proactive about your online security. Now that you know the risks, let's talk about protection. It's not just about knowing the threats, but also about implementing effective measures to counteract them. Think of your Instagram account as a digital castle. Just like a medieval fortress, it needs to be well guarded to keep intruders at bay. Your account holds personal information, photos, and connections that you wouldn't want to fall into the wrong hands. You need to fortify it against invaders. This means taking proactive steps to ensure that your account is as secure as possible. Use a strong and unique password. Don't reuse passwords from other accounts. A strong password is your first line of defense. It should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security. With 2FA, even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without a second form of verification. Even if your password is stolen, hackers will need a special code from your phone to log in. This makes it significantly harder for them to breach your account. Beware of phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or open attachments from unknown senders. Phishing scams are designed to trick you into giving away your personal information. Always verify the source before clicking on any link. Keep your software updated. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Regularly updating your apps and operating system ensures that you have the latest protections against threats. Think before you click. Be cautious about what you share online. Not everything you see on social media is trustworthy. Always double-check the authenticity of the content before engaging with it. Hackers can use your personal information to target you. By sharing too much online, you might be giving them the tools they need to launch an attack. By following these tips, you can make your Instagram account much more secure. It's all about being vigilant and taking the necessary precautions to protect your digital presence. Stay vigilant and stay safe. Remember, your online security is in your hands. By implementing these strategies, you can enjoy a safer and more secure Instagram experience.